Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to increase font size, decrease it, giving font color, giving page color, inserting shapes, coloring shapes, how to give border, all these things in Microsoft Word through my teaching, a simple teaching on myself. So first of all, open Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? Just by going into Start and then clicking on Microsoft Office Word 2007. I have already done it. Now, if on your desktop screen any of the Microsoft Word icon is available, you can open through that also. So, this Microsoft Word layout is without any blank page. So, I have to go to this option, say File, New. It will ask me for blank document. So, I'm saying yes, create it. This type of layout of Microsoft Word with file new is available to me. I can zoom in, zoom out. You can see from here. So I'm keeping in the center. If I want to decrease little bit, I will drag little bit. So this is proper for me. As per your requirement, you can increase or decrease it. So first of all, I'm writing myself. Okay. Now see, either you type in lowercase like this, or you press caps lock and write like this. So uppercase and lowercase facility is given to you. But here you will see that I have written first character in capital. So if it is lowercase, then I have to press Shift and M to have that character in uppercase. So then I again want S as capital. So press Shift and press S. Myself. After writing this, you can see the font size is just 11 and myself is title of this page. So I have to select it. Make sure you are selecting it. So select and then go to font size, make it 36. If it is too big, you can decrease it, make it 34. It is not available here, so just type 34. Press enter. Now give font color. So I'm going to this and clicking the font color, say this is, I like this color. If you want to choose any other color, you can select that color. So I'm clicking on this color. Now I want this myself word in center of the page. You can see here paragraph is left align, then center align, right align and justify. So just click on center align. So I got it in center. Still I want to do necessary changes. I don't want this myself look like this. So I'm again selecting it and clicking on bold. Wow, this is better. I'm clicking on italic. Yes, exactly this way I want it. Now press enter. Again press enter. When I'm pressing enter, my cursor is big in size and it is just in center. Why it is big in size? Because I clicked on bold, I clicked on italic and I changed the font size to 34. If I will write, it will make me to write from center. You can see I'm writing and it is going like this. It is same color and same size. If I'm choosing same color, same size, then it is like title of the page. So I'm deleting it. I will make it, I will do it necessary changes by going to the font size and making it 14, 1 for 14. You can see the cursor sizes decrease. Then I have to deactivate italic. I have to deactivate bold also. And I have to go to font color and I have to make black color. Still it is in center align. So I have to go here and make a left align. Now it's time to insert, type something about myself. But whichever line I am writing, I want some symbol over there. So to have symbol, just look on this. Here it is, bullets and numberings. This is numbering. This is bullets. So none, no, nothing will come. This circle will come. This type of circle, square will come. Right will come. I like this. So I'm clicking this. After writing, I will write first line. My name is Samir Sir. You don't write my name, you write your name. So my name is XYZ. Next, I am a teacher working with Shift and D, Don, Shift and B, Bosco, High School, Vadodara. I teach I teach computer subject. I like my students very much. I live in Vadodara. I like Vadodara city very much. I am proud of my country, India. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines are sufficient for me for today's teaching. You can increase or decrease. And please, you are supposed to write about yourself. I am a, s- I am, my name is XYZ. I am a student studying in so and so school, Vadodara or whichever city. I like math subject. I like my school very much. I like my friends very much. I live in Vadodara. I like Vadodara city. I am proud of my country, India. Here I want to write one more line. As I mentioned that I am working with Don Bosco High School. I'm writing, I like my school very much. After writing this, it's time to do necessary changes known as formatting. So first of all, color the page. How to color? Go to page layout and there is a page color and choose whichever color you want. Come on, beautiful it is. This is good. This is good. This is better, I think so. I like this one. So I'm going for this. Now what? Press enter and backspace. Press enter and backspace. Press enter and backspace. Press enter and backspace. I'm doing. I'm just leaving one lines. Press enter and backspace. Press enter and backspace. So you can see that each line, why doing like this? So that full page will be occupied with this. Now what? Select this. Make sure you are not selecting myself word title of this page, and I'm giving some font color to this. To give font color, I have to go to home. Now I will go here. Now I will select this color, this color. You can see the necessary changes. Dark blue color. This is better. This one is good. Okay. Then the title color and this color will be same. I don't want that. So I'm again selecting it. I'm going here and making yes, dark blue color. This is better. Font size, I'm finding it little less. So I'm increasing the font size. Make it 18. No, make it 16. Fine. It is also telling me there is some spell check. Go for spell check. So teacher, Teacher, it's correct spelling. Fine. Vadodara, ignore. Bosco, say ignore. My name is Samir, so ignore. Vadodara, again ignore. Again ignore it. Done it. Now what? Go to insert, go to shapes, select this shape. Here it is. Take a proper color, otherwise, white color you will not enjoy. So just go for this. This one, this one, this one, this one. Yes. Now myself, passport size photograph must be there. Just kidding. So I'm clicking here, going here, taking, oops, undo, take this, drag over here. This is my photo. Keep it in center and you can definitely color it. This one is okay, fine. Or this one. This is better. Now what? Go to insert, go to shapes, take this star, where is star? Take this heart, drag here, give color. Another shape, or say another star, as you wish. That is good. Insert, shapes, this one, drag, color change, or this color, or this color. Drag, color change, this color. Keep on putting pictures, drag symbols as per your requirement. I'm searching star. Where it is? Where is star? Here it is. So drag small, small stars and I think yellow color, this color, this star, this color. Drag down. Check this color. Keep on dragging, keep on inserting. That's it. Now just have a look. Go to file and go to say print preview. Here it is. If the printer, oops, it's not showing some background color of the page, but you can see my work about myself. Yes, I have colored it, but in print preview it is not showing to me. So I'm coming back. I think deactivated or what. I'm going to home. So close print preview. Yes, it is there. So when I go for printout, definitely this background color will come, but in the print preview it was not showing. So I hope you enjoyed my teaching. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.